Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Tahseen Akbar and you are watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Today we will talk about JF-17 to get a new engine, RD-93MA with 9,300 kg force thrust. According to UEC General Designer Alexander Ivik speaking at the engine's 2012 Salon in April, about 70 engines of the Road 33 family were made in Russia last year. Their production is run now by the Chernichev Machine Building Enterprise in Moscow. Previously, the Road 33 Series 2 had been in production with the Baranov Omo Enterprise in Omsk, at present, an affiliate of the Salu Gas Turbine Research and Production Center, but the fact that customers order now Road 33 Series 3 and RD-33MK engines only has left Omsk-based plant with repairing and overhauling Baranov-made engines, while the production of new engines has moved to Moscow. Chernichev and AMP, number 8217, S near-term production program is determined by its current order book for the second batch of 29 MiG-29K Cub carrier-borne fighters to India. The first batch of 16 aircraft powered by Chernichev-built Road 33 MKs was delivered during 2009 and AMP, number 8211, 2011, and the recent Russian Defense Ministry order for 24 fighters of the type. In addition, the plant supplied RD-33MK turbofans to fit the first two MiG-29M, M2 fighter prototypes. The first MiG-29K Cub jets are due to the Russian Navy in AMP, number 8217, S air arm as soon as 2013, but the RD-33MK first has to pass its official bench tests for compliance with peculiar requirements of the Russian Armed Forces. Klimov JSC kicked off the tests on 28 January 2012. An important position in Chernichev and AMP, number 8217, S production plans is also occupied by the deliveries of Road 33 Series 3 knockdown kits to India under the January 2007 contract on license production of 120 engines of the type there. The program is about half complete. Finally, the Road 93, a Road 33 derivative with the low-mounted accessory gearbox, is exported to China to fit FC-1, JF-17, light single-engine fighters. The deal for 100 Road 93s with an option for 400 more was clinched in April 2005. The first 15 engines were assembled by Klimov, and Chernichev has handled the rest of the deliveries since 2006. The contract is half complete, and the deliveries shall resume as soon as the customer submits its request. At the same time with the full-rate production in Moscow, Klimov JSC in St. Petersburg continues to refine the RD-33MK and Road 93. According to Klimov, the company and AMP, number 8217, S jet engine priorities are the development of the modified RD-93MA with the thrust enhanced to 9,300 kg force for a foreign customer and the development of the upgraded RD-33MKM with a thrust of 9,500 kg force for the MiG Corporation. Takeoff Magazine, Road 33, output on the rise. From 8,300 kg force to 9,300 kg force. That's a 1-ton thrust increase. Would do wonders for JF-17's thrust-to-weight ratio. Enjoy the extra thrust PAF fans. 9,300 kg force is equal to 20,502 lbf if my calculations are right. Thanks for watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Goodbye.